Hi, this is Linus, you're watching TechLine, and this is Xiaomi 13T Pro. At the time of this video, the phone costs about 800 euros, and I think it has a lot of cool features, but the key selling point is it's like a branded camera system. This camera setup consists of a 50 megapixels 24mm main camera, a 50 megapixels 50mm 2x optical zoom lens, and a 12 megapixels 15mm ultra-wide angle lens. On the front, we have a 20 megapixels selfie shooter. Let's see how these camera specifications translate into real-life performance. The stock camera app allows you to choose between a Leica Vibrant and Leica Authentic looks. For most people, I advise the Vibrant look because in a lot of cases it offers a better dynamic range. However, it can be really subjective and it really depends on the shot and your personal taste. Sometimes I prefer one look over another and vice versa. I found the overall image quality to be really impressive across all three camera lenses. The colors, detail, sharpness, dynamic range, and other aspects are very good. Maybe some images are a little bit overexposed in the vibrant mode for my taste, but that's just nitpicking. For the most part, photos are compatible to the most expensive flagships out there. Xiaomi gives you quite a few portrait mode options for your artistic expression, and they call it a master lens system, which combines hardware and software. I found portraits to look very good, and edge detection is very good even in tricky situations. My favorite portrait modes: default and 35mm documentary. 90mm soft focus effect is not always my top choice, but I'm sure that some people will find it useful if that's the look they're going for. Just like with all phones, I suggest you use the main camera in low light. Well, there are quite a few wide-angle and 2x telephoto lens shots that look pretty good, but they never look as good as the ones taken with the main shooter. I like the level of detail, relatively low noise, and just the overall look. Night photo quality is really nice. The selfie camera quality is pretty good. The images taken in auto mode look nice and sharp. However, portrait mode edge detection could be better in quite a few shots. Low light selfies look good if you manage to find a decent source of street lighting. If not, the quality decreases quite a bit. When it comes to video, the phone can record up to 8K 24fps footage. However, it's very choppy and I cannot recommend you using it. The 4K 30fps video looks nice and sharp, but there is still some visible panning stutter. That's why I suggest you use 4K 60fps mode for nice, stable, and smooth handheld video. It's a little bit disappointing that the selfie camera can record only in 1080p 30fps. No 4K, no 60fps. On the other hand, the quality of video is very good for Full HD resolution, and it will be more than enough for most users. For the audio recording quality, listen yourself. This is 1080p 30fps video test using the front-facing camera, and right now I'm holding the phone in two hands and I'm walking slowly. Overall, despite a few quirks, the cameras on this device are very good. Definitely one of the best in this price range of phones, and for the most part, they can go toe-to-toe with the most expensive flagships. If you're looking for excellent sound in a compact package, Soundcore Motion 300 is simply amazing. Thanks to Soundcore for sponsoring this portion of the video. Despite its small size and weight, it packs 30 watts of volume output, and this is industry's first and only wireless high-res Bluetooth outdoor speaker in such a compact size and with wireless high-res certification. Thanks to two full-range drivers, the sound is simply amazing as it is balanced and rich, and it is hard to believe that a speaker of this size can be so loud. Pair up two Motion 300 speakers for an immersive surround sound experience. SmartTune technology senses changes in the speaker's direction and adjusts the sound to improve the listening experience at any angle. Hang the speaker on the strap and it will enter into dynamic mode. Lay it flat for 360 degrees mode or put it on its feet for immersive directional sound. Other key features include an easily removable strap, an impressive 13 hours of music playback, an IPX7 water resistance rating, the speaker looks and feels premium, and the build quality is excellent. It also has nicely backlit control keys, a USB Type-C port for charging, and Bluetooth 5.3. Overall, this is one of the best compact wireless speakers I've tested, and I can highly recommend you to check it out. All the links and show notes are in the video description down below. Here is a quick audio test. Even though the cameras on this phone are great, the IP68 certified Xiaomi 13T Pro offers a lot more other features. I have this black model that uses a glass on the back, which as usual is a massive fingerprint magnet, but if companies keep making these glossy phones, I guess people like them. The frame is made of plastic, but just like the entire phone, it feels robust. The 13T Pro follows quite a familiar Xiaomi design language, and I like the overall aesthetic. The phone feels quite nice in the hand, mainly thanks to rounded edges of the backplate so they don't cut into your hand. The 6.67-inch AMOLED screen has the refresh rate of up to 144 Hz, and it is easily one of the best screens on any phone. It looks amazing indoors and outdoors, and it can reach a whopping 2600 nits of peak brightness. The 13T Pro weighs about 200 grams, but it has a massive 5000 mAh battery, which, you guessed it, lasts a long time. For most users, it is easily a 2-day battery phone. For heavy users, the phone's power bank will still hold more than 1 day. The device ships with a 120 watts super fast charger that fully charges the phone ridiculously fast. It takes just 19 minutes from 0 to full. Other key features: the phone has an IR blaster, the under-the-screen fingerprint reader is fast and accurate, there is a dual SIM card slot, and a pretty good sounding dual speaker system. Here is a quick audio test. The 13T Pro packs some flagship-grade specs like a MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus chipset that is built using a 4nm process. My unit has 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of fast UFS 4.0 storage, but you can go up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of internal storage. You guessed it, there is no micro SD card slot, but you need to get used to it. The result of this combination of specs: excellent gaming performance. You can play any 3D game on the highest graphic settings without skipping a beat. At least this is my experience in titles like PUBG, Call of Duty, Genshin Impact, and so on. The phone feels fast and fluid for the basic everyday stuff too, and there hasn't been a single stutter or lag during my usage of the device. The MIUI 14, that is based on Android 13, offers the usual set of features and customization options Xiaomi fans have seen for years, so you can customize the phone in a variety of ways. It is worth noting that the 13T Pro has the latest Bluetooth options like Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, super accurate multi-band GPS, and NFC. Overall, it's really hard to mention any shortcomings of the Xiaomi 13T Pro that could be deal breakers, but if we nitpick, I wish the phone's selfie camera could record in 4K resolution. Also, that 8K 24fps video didn't impress me because it is very choppy. Other than that, the 13T Pro offers a lot of flagship features for an €800 price tag. Nice IP68 certified chassis, very good cameras, top-notch AMOLED display, good overall performance, and impressive battery life with super fast charging. All things considered, having just a few flaws, the Xiaomi 13T Pro offers a lot of flagship qualities that make this a solid device, but those flagship qualities can be bought for a lower than the flagship price. Tell me in the comment section down below what you think about the Xiaomi 13T Pro. Would you buy this phone, or do you think that another device offers a better value? So tell me in the comment section down below what you think. Also, please like the video if you liked it. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. And as always, it was Linus. Thank you for watching and see you soon.